Good day, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube. Today, I am going to show you how you can create a video token avatar, with your phone or with your laptop, so you can easily create a token video for your business presentation, for your social media, or anything you want to do, or for marketing. So let me show you one of the video that I created for my business, and I post it on my Instagram, and it's getting a lot of engagement from my customer. Let me show you my Instagram account, and I will show you the video that I created, which I'm going to teach you how you can create it with avatar that will be talking, that will be presenting your business to people, what you want to do. So let me go to my video now, and I will show you. Let's see it now. Let's see the way the avatar is talking. Listening to it.
Welcome to 2024. I have an exciting news for you all. I will be teaching 100 people free this year on digital marketing. Are you ready to supercharge your online presence in 2024? Gift Tech Computer Technologies presents a free digital marketing training. Learn the latest trends and content creation and boost your career.
Wow, amazing. That's the one. You can see it. I know you guys will love it. I have a lot of it I have created to show you that this thing is real and this thing is free. Let me show you another one. I created another one yesterday.
As you go this morning, have this in mind that when your vision is limited, your life will be limited. It's amazing what happens when you enlarge your vision, when you believe big, when you pray bold prayers, when you dream great dreams. As you go this year.
Alright guys, let's dive into the study details. Now what you need, the first thing that you need is Canva. You go to your Canva. If you don't have a Canva account, and make sure you register Canva. Once you get to Canva, you click on video. You sign in to Canva with your Gmail account. You click on video. Well, the moment you click on video, they are going to take you to a blank page whereby you can start your designing. So last year 2023, there are many AI that were developed. We have many numerous of AI. We have ChatGPT, we have Bing AI, we have many AI that was released 2023, and which many more AI is going to be released this year too. So you are going to use AI to create this video talking avatar today. So once you get to Canva, you scroll down by this side, you scroll to app. When you get to app, you search for Deep Reel AI video. Search for it. The moment you search for this, you click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to sign in with your Gmail again to get access to this AI, because they have their own particular website. Now, I've already signed in. Now, what they do for me is that they will bring out the AI immediately. So for me, they will bring out the AI. So I have already created a video. So you select the avatar that you want to use. You can see my Instagram. I use this lady. You can see it. I use this lady. So now I go back to Canva again. You can just click on the avatar. You can change the background if you want. You can change it. You can just type welcome to my Instagram account, for instance. So now that we have it like this, you will click on preview.
Welcome to my Instagram account.
So you can see it now. Now we have it now. Just click on video. I think my credit has been exhausted, but once you generate the video, you click on download, you set everything, and let me go to, you click on once you set it here, you click on share and you download your video. But let me go to my media and show you sample of the video that I have created that I show you the other time. I will go to video. Now this is one of the video that I show you on my Instagram account. This is it. Now I will click on it. You can see it now. Let me play it
Know
out.
this about your vision in 2024. Look within to make you.
Yeah, see now.
Know this about your vision in 2024. Look within to make your vision clear. Helen Keller warns having sight without vision is worse than being blind. Joel A. Barker stresses that vision.
So wow, you may be wondering, how did I achieve this? How did I achieve this? I used ChatGPT to generate a content. Like when we come back to this deep read, when we come back to this read, the moment you select your character, you have to. The moment you select your character, you have to put your content, you have to put your script here. So now I go to ChatGPT, I say ChatGPT to generate a content for me, and I will post it here. I will paste it here. You must use at least 450 character, because if you are using 900 character, you are going to pay for the approved plan. And once you create like up to like 3 videos, this thing is going to expire. And what I will do is that I can use different Gmail accounts to create Canva account and be generating multiple video. So if you want to be creating video consistently, you have more than 1 or 3 email you can be using to generate the video. So you create it here, listen to the audio and click on generate. Or let me paste this one here for instance. Let me paste it here and let's listen to the preview. Just listen. It's because the text is long, that's why it's loading. Within a second, it's going to load. It's going to load within a second. It's going to load. It's going to load. You should just wait for a quiet minute and it will load. It depends on network, sometimes in your locations, but you have
Digital
to wait.
marketing is an online strategy using channels like SEO, social media, email, and content to promote products, services. It boosts brand visibility, drives traffic, and engages customers. Data analysis fine-tunes campaigns for optimal outcomes, shaping the modern marketing landscape.
Wow, that is good. Okay, with this thing, you click on generate and it will generate the video like this for you. Now once it generates it like this for you, how do you remove the background? Because you don't post this thing like this, this does not look professional. Another thing we are going to do is that we are going to remove the background of this image. I will click on edit video. If you are using Canva Pro, this will be very easy for you. You click on edit video, you click on background remover, and it will automatically remove the background of the image for me. Wow, we can see it now. It has removed the background. Now we cannot post this thing in a blank something like this. I am going to generate a good background for this thing now. So for instance, instead this thing, I'm going to use another AI in Canva. That is why I say we have numerous AI that have been connected to this Canva. So you click on, let me click on AI. Let's just search for background image generator, background image generator for instance. Okay, let's just use AI image gen. So now the one I'm going to use is this AI image generator. So I will click on it. Just click on it. Now you are going to type something, generate a quality YouTube studio. Okay, let's go to AI, ChatGPT, write a prompt. Write a prompt. A prompt to generate a presentation studio. So now you can see it now. You can see what ChatGPT writes. So I will just carry this thing and paste it in this particular place, and this thing will generate the background for me. Oh, this thing is too long. Write it in 200 character. The what ChatGPT gave me is too long. So now let me go back. Yeah, wow. So in a couple of minutes, we are going to generate this background. You guys will make sure you watch this video to the very end, because this is very funny, this is cool, and it will help you in your business. It will help you to create a unique video. Watch this to the very end, and we are going to get amazing results on this particular video. So within a couple of minutes, this thing is going to generate a background for us that we are going to use on our video. So let's wait for it to generate the background that we need within a couple of minutes. Make sure you share this video to your friend. Share the video to your friend, your family, anyone that needs to know how to create a video like this. If you're a digital marketer, if you're a business owner, you don't need to hire anybody to create a video for you. With this tutorial, you can easily create your video with Canva account. Okay, we are waiting. It takes a couple of minutes for this AI to generate a background for you, but you can still use another alternative to generate background image, which is Bing AI. So you can check this video on my YouTube channel, you can use Bring AI to generate video background. You can use to generate unlimited background images. So let's check if it's ready. It's not ready. Okay. Where is it? Wow, this is the image that was generated for. You can see the image. So you are going to stretch the image. You're going to stretch the image. Stretch the image to cover your video. So now this is the background that was generated for us. Let's stretch this out. Wow. So now this is the background. You click on position. You click on backward. So we can bring our video to the middle of the background to make it more unique. So you can increase your video height now to make the woman wow. Oh, you can see the background of the image now. So this woman will be presenting this video for us. So let's listen and see how everything looks like.
Know this about your vision in 2024. Look within to make your vision clear. Helen Keller warns having sight without vision is worse than being blind. Joel A. Barker stresses that vision paired with action can change the world. Peter Drucker advises, create your future to predict it. Gail Devers urges to keep dreams alive with faith, belief, vision, hard work, determination, and dedication. For in belief, all things are possible.
Wow. This is very cool and this is fantastic. Now another thing you can add to your video, you can add a text, like a watermark. You can add, you can come to display and add a text. But me, I'm going to use my logo. I can just upload my logo. I have my logo here. I'll go to image. I will upload my logo on the edge of the image. You can decide to put a watermark. You don't want anybody to copy your image. This is my logo, my company logo. I can easily put it here. I can use it as a watermark. You can see it now. This is amazing. Nobody will be able to copy your video. You can see it now. The watermark is already there just to protect the video. So you can see it now. Let it be playing. The watermark will still be showing.
Urges to keep dreams alive with faith, belief, vision, hard work, determination, and dedication.
So you guys, this is how to video talking avatar for free, and there are other numerous AI that you can use to create a video. Another one is DID presentation, but I'm not going to use DID presentation because the watermark is going to be shown on your image after you remove the background. So that is why I'm not using DID. You can try them out and check the one that work for you. Alright, you guys should subscribe to this channel. The moment you are done with your video, you click on share and you click on download to download your video. You download your video and that is all. So this is the end of this tutorial. Share the video, comment, let your friend know that you know how to create this thing. Share it to your people that may need it. The moment you share and subscribe to this video, YouTube will increase the algorithm of this video so that this video will go viral to people like you that may also want to watch this particular video. Make sure you drop your comment in the comment section. All right, see you guys next time. Good day.